In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Tom Hero app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get the right Tom Hero app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store. From Play Store, go ahead and tap on it. And then go ahead and using the search bar, just tap on it to search for the app. Or if you can't see the search bar, go ahead and tap on search icon here. Here, go ahead and just enter the name and then search by tapping on this search icon. And here is our Tom Hero app. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Outfit 7 Limited, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.4 with over 1 million reviews. Currently, this app has over 500 million downloads, and the file size is around 129 MBs. You see this, you know that you have the right app. And to get it, just go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and begin downloading this app on your Android smartphone. And once the download is done, it will be installed. From here, you can launch and start playing directly from here. Or if I go back to my apps, now you should see we have our Tom Hero app available here. Go ahead and tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface. Now you can go ahead and start playing. So that's how you can download the right Tom Hero app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.